Today we are learning a technique called swift crane. This movement connects us to our ability to coordinate, stabilize, and ground our sense of gracefulness, a sense of ease, and a sense of flow in our life. This movement is sprinkled throughout the GuanJing Method memberships, in the online trainings, and in the courses. So let's begin. We'll take one foot behind the other and stepping so that it's almost in the same line. Sweeping the arms overhead, pointing from the index finger, bending the elbows and rolling the shoulders down the back. Crown of the head reaches towards the sky as if you were spreading two beautiful giant wings on either sides of the body. We take an inhale, lengthening the spine, and as we exhale, sweep the hands forward, bowing forward, relaxing the head and neck. The hands reach the opposite shoulders. The inhale, we bend into this front foot, stepping and placing the weight on the front foot as the opposite leg's knee reaches in towards the midline. The exhale, we bow and sweep back. The inhale, once again, arms reach up, finding that balance, knee into the chest. And then the exhale, we sweep and the back foot steps forward. Alternating, stepping back and forward with that balancing foot. And I'll show you from the side over here. The exhale, we fold round the upper back, chin towards the chest. The inhale, we come up. Now, as you get more used to this movement, building your ability to coordinate, we can find more of a swiftness with our arms, sweeping on the exhale, and inhale, lengthening up. Sweeping on the exhale, and inhale up. Let's try the other foot, taking the other foot forward, other leg steps back. Inhale, reaching with the pointer fingers, reaching with the crown of the head, spreading your beautiful white wings. Exhale, swift crane. Inhale, sweeping up, knee into the chest, lengthen. Exhale, stepping back, swift crane. The inhale, we bend forward, knee into the chest. And exhale, step forward, swift crane. Beautiful. Moving and gliding with your graceful wings, envisioning two beautiful wings as you sweep any heaviness, any stagnation out and away from your field, creating a clear path. Last time, exhale, sweep, and inhale, both arms reach overhead, spreading your wings wide, bending the elbows, gaze is tall, chest is proud, connecting with the energy of the crane, and exhale, hands down. I hope you enjoyed that movement, connecting with the graciousness of the crane. You can find this posture as well as many, many others in the GuanJing Method online membership. I'll see you in there.